Hey everyone, going on vacation or need to let people know you're unavailable? In this video, we will show you how to set up an auto reply in Yahoo Mail so your contacts automatically get a response while you are away. Auto reply on Yahoo Mail is also called a vacation response. This feature sends a customized reply to incoming emails during a specific time period. It acts as an out-of-office notification to let senders know you are not available. The purpose of auto reply in Yahoo Mail is to automatically send a preset response to anyone who emails you when you're unavailable. This helps inform senders that you're away, busy, or not able to reply right now, so everyone knows what to expect. Now follow us as we guide you through each step, so even if you're new, you can do this with us. First, go to yahoo.com. Once you're on the main page, log into your account. After you are logged in, click the envelope icon to go to your mail. After logging in or pressing the envelope icon, you'll see your emails. To set an auto reply, you need to switch Yahoo Mail to the older version because it's easier to find the settings there. Now, to set the auto reply, go to the upper right corner where you see your name and account info. Click the drop-down menu, then go to Account Info or Settings. Click Account Info, then go to Settings, and click Go. You'll now see options like Inbox, Contacts, Notepad, and Calendars. Here, you will see your mail accounts, vacation response, blocked addresses, and filters. Since we want to set up auto reply or vacation response, click Vacation Response. Here it is. You can set up your automatic reply here. In this form, tick the box, then choose the dates and type the message you want to send. You can also set a different response for specific domains. Here, you can add the first domain, second domain, and messages. Set this up and you're all set. After you finish, make sure to save. That's how we enable auto reply on Yahoo Mail. Anyone who emails you will automatically get your response while you're away. This is helpful for vacations, busy schedules, or just keeping things professional when you're not online.